Hashim Gangaji was a native of Bhuj, Kutch but migrated to East Africa in 1871. His son Abdullah was however born in Zanzibar in 1906, where he did his early schooling and subsequently went into business. He was an eminent clove merchant. Prince Ali Khan arrived in Bombay on 3 December 1934, whereas the Imam set foot on 4 January 1935. Lucky was Count Abdullah Hashim, for he was visiting India at that particular time period. Before his departure on 15 December 1934, he was given a warm farewell party by the Central Panji Bhai Club. In his speech, he said, "It is the duty of every man to serve his community." On that occasion, he donated a large amount to the Central Panji Bhai Club. Mukhi Ibrahim Lara, chairman of the Helping Society, garlanded him and threw him a party in the hall of the Aga Khan School. During his visit to India, he went to Bhuj, Kutch, where he arranged a Rohani Majlis for his late father on 26 February 1935. He sent a mehmani to the Imam along with presents for Prince Ali Khan and Prince Sadruddin. In his telegraphic message through Mukhi Rashid Khan Ji, the Imam graced him with best paternal blessings. In 1937, he was appointed the host secretary of the Aga Khan Supreme Council for Africa. He had an honor to give a stupendous reception to the Imam on 30th January 1937 at the Aga Khan's Panji Bhai Club. It was attended by 1,400 distinguished guests and was so magnificent in appearance that none amongst the guests had ever seen such a lovely decorum. He was appointed as a member of the Aga Khan Executive Council for Africa, 1957 to 1962, and then became its president and chairman in 1946. In addition to his previous mentioned function, he was also the chief financial minister of the Aga Khan Ismaili Council in Zanzibar, president of Aga Khan Legion in Africa for Platinum Jubilee, member of Zanzibar Legislative Council, Indian National Association, Muslim Association and Miladi Nabi Association. He was also the director of the Jubilee Insurance Co., 1940–1947, and the Diamond Jubilee Trust Limited, 1946–1950. On the occasion of the Diamond Jubilee in Africa in 1946, he was awarded a gold moon, a diamond ring, and a watch for his meritorious services. He was also appointed an advisor of the Ismaili Association for Uganda, Kenya, and Tanganyika. He was bestowed the title of Itndi in 1952, Wazir in 1954, and Count in 1964. He died on 26 September 1982.